Hi everyone. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching Instagram post using Canva. Canva is a user-friendly design tool, perfect for beginners and professionals alike. So your first step is to log in. To log in to www.canva.com. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll go ahead and you'll sign up. You could even sign up with Google or Apple, so on and so forth, or you create an account from scratch. Once you're in and you have created your account, go ahead and start to log in. So I would consider Canva a very user-friendly software. Everything's at your disposal. And so in this case, since we are presenting an Instagram post as social media creation, if you don't see it here on your menu, as you see here, you could go ahead and go to your search. And in this case, we're going to go ahead and type Instagram post. Okay. Once your Instagram posts into the search bar, you're going to scroll through the available templates. And Canva has so many options. And you're going to scroll through what's available on the templates and select the one that matches your style. So next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to personalize the template. We're going to go ahead and select, in this case, since it's fall, I figured let's go ahead and do a little Instagram Happy Thanksgiving. Going to go ahead and select it. And we're going to go ahead and customize this template. Once it pulls up, you're going to go ahead and start seeing the fact that, you could add even multiple pages on it. Everything you click on, you see, is available for you to change, update, create, update. You have multiple options. Changing the text, for example, in this case, we're going to go ahead, instead of saying Happy Thanksgiving, we want to go ahead and you're going to go ahead and just double click on this and click edit. And you see how it's available. You could either A, replace it with a different kind of filter, different picture, or in this case, I want to go ahead and change the text. For example, let's say I want to go ahead and delete. I want to go ahead and add in a different element. For example, I want to go and do my own kind of setting, my own kind of heading, my own add text box here. They have different types of headings with different fonts. See, all the different kind of options here. So we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to add a text box. I'm going to add it right there. Sorry, it's going to go ahead and automatically populate over here. And we're going to go ahead and change that to Happy Friendsgiving. And as you can tell, right above, you're going to have your options of the type of font, size, bold, all the different kind of effects that you could do. You could even do animation on your text. So we're going to change this to Happy Friendsgiving. I want to go ahead and change the font color. Just give it like an earthy kind of color. Let's change it to match the turkey. There you go. And we want to go ahead and change the size. And I want to go ahead and give it an effect where you could have things, outlines, shadowed, neon if you want, depending on your type of creation. I want to go ahead and lift it off the page style. And finally, I want to go ahead and give it a little animation. Let's do something like a shift. Okay. So as you can see, I added just a few extra little things. You go into the elements. I added like a extra leaf. I showed actually in the background. I put a little bit of a video just so you guys could see like movement, how all the different kind of things that you could do on Canva. So finally, let's preview our design. We're going to go ahead and click share, and you're going to go ahead and select download right here, and you're going to save your post as a PNG. And it's ready after that to download, and you're ready to post it on Instagram. And that's it. You've just created in just a few minutes a beautiful Instagram post on Canva. So don't forget to explore Canva's other features for more design and possibilities. Thanks for watching.